Yo, how's everyone doing? Hope you're keeping sane in the lockdown that is now our world at the minute, hey? But fingers crossed, we'll be out of it soon and we'll get some bike racing going and life to some sort of normality, whatever normality is. But I've been doing a couple of these garage tours. I obviously did a full garage tour to start with. But if you've not seen that, the link's going to be below. And then I did one about the MV Augusta F3 that I've got, the first Trooper bike that was for myself at the TT in the Ulster Grand Prix back in 2015. So that's gone down really well, and a few people have said, look, we want some more of these, so we're going to do another one today. So I'm going to take you on a little walk, and we'll see what we've got. So just come out of my place. Dave's doing a customer bike there, just in the background, and then I'm going to walk into here. Dun dun dun. A few people have been asking about this little weapon that they saw in a video, which is the Aprilia RS250. It's a Reggiani rep. It's from 1995. It's one of the bikes that's in my collection. Beautiful little thing. We've been running it actually this week because it's not started for ages. It's exactly as I got it. It's not the cleanest bike in the world by any means, but it needs quite a bit of TLC, to be fair, but we'll get around to it eventually. At least we've actually got it down and out, and it's actually been running, and it sounds awesome. Everyone loves a two-stroke, right? There's a few marks on it and stuff. You know, it's not quite, that's what I'm saying, it's not the cleanest bike in the world. But I never actually got a chance to race one of these, but I raced against them, the later version. Back in 2003, I was racing in the 400 Championship, and in the 400s used to be the RS250 bikes as well. So I was riding a Kawasaki ZXR 400, one of the last ones ever produced actually. And in that class was these 250s. So I used to race against these, always wanted to have a go on one. And never actually got around to doing it, but I've always thought this bike's a beautiful looking thing. So eventually I managed to buy one. So I've had it for probably, I don't know, maybe 18 months-ish, maybe something like that, maybe 2 years. But yeah, beautiful little thing. And I still haven't actually ridden it myself yet, so once lockdown gets sorted out, then we can actually take it for a proper run, and I'm going to ride it myself. But I can't actually remember how many miles it's done. How many miles it's done? 12,000. Not too bad. It starts first kick as well, believe it or not, even though it's been stood for a while. So yeah, there you go. That's the little RS250. Bit of a shorter video this time. Not too much to say about it because there's not too much history with it for myself, at least not at the minute anyway. But yeah, what a mega looking machine, and they sound absolutely awesome. So I hope everyone's nice and safe. This is the 135 bike, by the way, 135 mile an hour. Anyway, I hope you're all good, and look forward to seeing you all soon, hopefully at a racetrack. Stay safe. Ciao. Well, I figured it was rude to show you it and not actually let you listen to it, so I brought her outside. It's a nice sunny day here in Louth, Lincolnshire. So ignition on, kickstart on these. It's going to want a little bit of choke, so let's hold the choke on. Fingers crossed, she should run. Oh, nearly. Oh, I was hoping she was going to go in one kick as well. Not quite. I reckon she wants a little bit of throttle. Hey, this is what they say about live TV and live videos, but there you go, look. She's away now. I know I'm not live, but you know, I thought I'd try and be as authentic as possible. And then someone rang me. Anyway. Absolutely mint. I love it. Can't wait.